Right, just got our wood panels and they're huge, and these are perfect to muffle some sound and also keeping weather, so you can use it for a double installation, or if you have a studio you can have this. These are actual wood panels, if you guys can see that, and then go into the actual wall any direction you want, parallel or vertical. They give you these grips to keep holding down the actual mounts, and instructions how to set this up, and also included, very important, the screws. All right, so and they throw in glue, so if you want an extra adhesive to make sure it's tied down pretty good, recommend you guys some of this. It comes with it right here, no drip, no nails, easy to set up. So we are gonna glue a couple panels, maybe just the corner ones, and then set them up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, well, it used to be an ugly corner. Now look at this. I'm gonna have extra pieces of wood. I'm gonna put them on the top, which I got a couple leftovers. I still need to finish it up to here, and I might extend it all the way over. This is great if you're a content creator. You need a background, beautiful background. I have LED lights too, but I'm not gonna turn them on yet because I gotta plug them in. But overall, soundproof, perfect for weather. I'm putting glue and the screws themselves too. If you have drywall, I recommend you getting drywall screws. All right, so all the way down. And if you're off a little bit on the bottom, it's okay. Nobody's gonna see the bottom. You're more worried about this part right here, so that's why I'm more concerned. I might put a little piece there on this part right here. I'm gonna slide it in, so my leftover. Awesome turnout. All right, there's the final production. Still need the top, a little bit off on here, but look at this panel. Looks beautiful. I messed up a little bit, but I was able to recover it. But if you guys can see it, beautiful wood panel. I like it. I did put some glue on it. Adhesive stayed perfect. I am going to put the top ceiling. I am going to finish them. But this part, I might take it off and then redo the line itself. But overall, I like it. So if you're gonna do a background scene, this is perfect for you guys. So podcast or any shows that you're gonna do, introduction to things, you can use this as a background. Beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.